Hello, my name is Alex Sabosi, and I am here to discuss our body's immune system and how it works for us every day. Our first line of defense when talking about our immune system is the physical barriers that our body has, our skin. When a bacterium makes initial contact with our skin, it will encounter salts, lysozymes, and defensins that are present on our body. Salts coat our entire outside body, while lysozymes are present on surfaces such as our eyes. A bacterium will also encounter our normal microbiota that is present on our body. If there is a cut on our body, our first line of defense is then breached, allowing for bacteria to enter the body. The course of the bacteria first encounters salt on our skin, which makes the environment hard to live in. Once the bacteria enters the cut, chemical signals will then be released, with histamines dilating the blood vessels and recruiting cells, blood, and fluid to the site of injury. This is our second line of defense, working as the messengers. At this point, you will notice that your skin becomes irritated and red from this process. The cellular response has mast cells produce histamines. Macrophages and neutrophils then begin the process of phagocytosis. This process focuses on the bacteria and destroys it to control the infection. After just talking about our innate immune response, we must also discuss our adaptive immune response. With this, an antigen, such as a bacteria or virus, will enter the body and encounter and bind to an antigen-presenting cell. For the humoral immunity, the antigen-presenting cell will then activate B cells that produce both plasma and memory B cells. Memory B cells activate the generation of memory, while plasma cells produce antibodies. Antibodies are blood proteins that help to identify and chemically bind to any organism that they see as foreign, such as a bacteria or virus. For the cell-mediated immunity, the antigen-presenting cell expands into T helper cells. These T helper cells activate cytotoxic T cells that then cause the death of the infected cells. I hope this was an adequate explanation of what happens when a bacterium is present on the body and what would occur if it was able to reach inside the body through a cut. Thankfully, our three barriers, the mechanical barrier, the chemical barrier, and the biological barrier, help our bodies fight off becoming ill by foreign invaders. Thank you for watching.